Good evening, everyone. Before we start, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Manish, and I am the student of FEA from Session 1 at Nehru Bihar branch. And my facilitator name is Mr. Varun Dhawan. Today I am going to be talking about say no to crackers and how they affect our health. And this topic related to our environments. So let's start. So this is my presentation, say no to crackers. Introduction. Firecrackers affect our health. Firecrackers affect the environment. Firecrackers affect animals or how to protect your pet. Precautions you need to take. Graph. The end of presentation. Feedback session. So let's move to the first slide. Introduction. Many people lose their lives succumbing to injuries every Diwali only because they do not take enough precautions while bursting firecrackers. Do not let it happen in your family. Stay away from firecrackers. Unfortunately, the fumes that these crackers produce are harmful to the environment and us. Ensure it is not you. Firecrackers affect our health means how do firecrackers affect our health? So the suspended particulate matters SPM levels are significantly during Diwali. This causes throat, nose and eye related problems which can later develop into adverse health issues. Firecrackers have much more savory effects in people with heart nervous system disorders. They can aggravate problems for people suffering from colds, allergies or coughs. Firecrackers affect the environment means how do firecrackers affect the environment? So first, fire hazards. Sometimes rockets set fire to huts, herbs or dry grass and even houses. Noise pollution. Firecrackers make more noise than the allowed decibel limit. Air pollution. Smoke caused by firecrackers are harmful when inhaled. It also caused reduced visibility that causes road accident. Firecrackers affect animals or how to protect your pet. The sound of bursting crackers can be quite traumatic to pets as they cannot bear loud sounds. Create a safe place for the pet to hide from frightening noises such as under the bed. Precautions you need to take. Try to avoid use of firecrackers. Use firecrackers that are less noisy. Do not burst flying crackers. Keep candles, lamps away from clothes and other materials that can catch fire. Keep water bucket nearly and graph. This is the graph. Each circle in the chart depicts the average PM 2.5 level in a 1 hour period in a city. The higher a circle is placed, the more the PM 2.5 particulate level. Hourly reading between January 1st, 2019 and October 26, 2019 are denoted by grey circles, while those during Diwali days are denoted by red circles. The highest ever pollution level recorded in an hour during Diwali is annotated in the graphs. So source the Hindu newspaper. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy it and thank you very much. Now it's time to feedback session. Please give your valuable feedback. I am waiting for your response. And now it's time to some quote. So every time you lose, you gain experience. Next quote is 5 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than buy the ones you did do. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails. Explore, dream, discover.